Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Trailblazer. I'm going to be playing some SCP Secret Laboratory. It's an online horror game where you can play with a bunch of people, kind of like Containment Breach, except, well, it's online! So, you can guess how that's going to go. The game is actually quite fun. I've been playing it talking over the mic. Although, you know, Okay, nuke's going off. You can probably tell that I can't actually record the audio of the game. All I have to do is record my voice. It's either the game audio or my voice, and I'd rather record my voice, to be honest. So, you know. Okay, round just ended. Just fucking kill each other. I need to stop pressing Q. I need to remember. Okay, the round is restarting now, which means we'll all spawn in as a certain class. It's basically just the beginning of the game. Now we'll wait for theirs. Doesn't seem like many people are actually in voice chat. That's good. For God's sake. God. I love the Steam community so much. Okay, game's starting now. I want to be a Class D, to be honest. I don't want to be anything else except a D-boy. Oh, for God's sake, I'm the worst one. How? These are some, like, decent content for some people, but not me. Ooh, look what I found. Time to go murder some innocent Class Ds. D-boys, D-boys, D-boys. Wait, a keycard spawns in this room. I never actually knew that. I should remember that for next round. God damn. Guess I'll drop a keycard. I can just run in here and grab that. Get my voice has to cracked on it. For fuck's sake. Wait, is this... Why do you want it to heavy or light? I can't tell. Alright. Well, 106 is screwed. Okay, I'm in the heavy containment zone, which means I'm in the right area. I can't tell. I legit can't tell. I think I'm in the wrong area. I'll check. I need to find the elevators. That's the 049 spawn. Yeah, I think we do have to go back down, actually. I think I went the wrong way. Oh, I'm such a scrub. I'm a scrub lord. Damn it. Oh, no, never mind. Wait, it does take us to the entrance zone. Because I don't want to go there, actually. I want to go somewhere a bit better. Like, you know, the containment zone and murder myself some innocent Class Ds. But, you know, guess that'll just have to wait. I opened both elevators, so, you know, I can tell if anything's going to happen. Please tell me this is containment zone and not entrance zone. Please. Please. Yes! Haha, Class Ds are screwed. How many people are actually in the game? Oh, Jesus Christ, there's a lot of people in the game. Yes, face me. Come here, bitch ass. Crap. Okay, I didn't get a single kill. That's why he's so useless. He stands still and so just instantly running. That's his worst talent by far. Damn. Okay, there's some dudes over here. Yeah, they're Class Ds. I need to wait until my dude starts crying. Oh yeah, he's crying now. He can be... Get here, bitch ass. Come here, bitch. Get here, bitches. I know there's one hiding in here. Where is he? Alright, I'll work together. Alright, I'll trigger you. I'll work together. In case you can tell he wants us to work together. I'm probably going to betray him, but you know, whatever. Okay. Don't trigger me yet. Just wait until we find some people, then trigger me. Oh yeah, he can't hear me, I forgot. Haha, such a fool. I have to kill him eventually, but you know, I'll just wait. Where'd they go? Think they're in here. Nah, they left. Shit. Damn, people can actually run quite fast. No, leave him. Leave him. We're working together. Leave him. Leave him. No. Good. 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 Don't kill him. You mother. He was gonna trigger me. Oh, thank you. Get back here. You need to learn your lesson. Where are they? Come on, attack. I need to get triggered, by the way, so you know. I made it. Grenade! Run! No! Brother! Lol, get wrecked.
Great job, sir. Dr. Hanson's offered to stay on with us for now. I think her skills will be invaluable. It's hard to believe I'm even here. Great to have you, Doc. Are you planning on pitching in? Well, your medical facilities are your science expertise is non-existent.
Good damn it. Got the worst SCP.
I guess you might be able to teach them a thing or two. Welcome aboard, Doc. Any chance you get the lab up and running soon? That'd be great. Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position. Brutal as heck. That'd get our research off the flying, sir. Commander, the alien artifact is all secure in the lab, sir. You know, seeing it got me thinking about my special projects. Whoa, slow down, Steve. What do you mean projects? Doing some kind of research down here? Not yet, sir. I still need some additional specimens to get things going. Once I get those, make some big and boost our weapons system. I'm all for that. What do you need? All kinds of things. I think your details into our database. If you run into something on a mission that we need, you'll be notified automatically. Just try not to blow the shit. Okay, Stephen? Yeah. Okay. You see my stapler? It's red. You need more samples? Yes. No. Yes. You have questions? I don't know. Yes. You have questions? Need more samples?
Damn. That's not good at all. Shit. I'll have to do a bit better. Okay, I'm reaching my fucking recording limit. I gotta stop now. So, that's how it went as 096. We got strafed to death. I'm quite literally salty about that.